Hey, hello y'all. How you doing? Hey, okay? Everything okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Hey, your girl. Yeah, man. Debbie from down a yard. Yeah? Guess what? Friday evening, you know. I don't know, it's a Friday evening down here. We don't cook more than ordinary. So we about here mountain Friday evening. Pick up some bills and not left in our kitty. We go on no fast food, you know. Credit card, max. Debit card, null and void. So, you know, don't know if them used to. You got fast food, but look here. We have fast food in our kitchen. Follow me now, man. Yup. Right here, so I have two little, zoom in there, let them see. Little chicken fillet right here, so. We wash them off, we put some baking soda, and we sell them clean and pretty, and the color them bright and nice. Yeah, man. We're going to do a video for you to, you know, make you see one way you can use to wash your chicken to make your chicken have them pretty nice, clean color, yeah. So, them kind of still wet, so we're going to put them in the paper towel and get them dry up. You understand? We're going to do two. You don't know if me thing for the record. We are going to dry them up little. You know, we have to take out some of the excess moisture inside of them. So, we have a flame over here, so you know. I go and eat up. I just see we are, give them a shot. I just see I run things. Because we are going to do some deep fat frying. You see me? Right? As we go along, you realize what we are going to put together. Yeah? So, we have a flame over there, so kind of get a little natchy. So, we are turning her down. We don't want to get too hot. So, see it? Give them a shot. We get out some of the moisture out of the chicken breast. You know the chicken thing, you know, poultry and the bacteria. So, soon as you're done, discard. Get rid of it. So, we're going to go over here, so we'll put them like this. This is a piece of greaseproof paper, you know, piece of worthless greaseproof, because I don't know them a greaseproof paper comes to nowadays. So, I go put all kind of sitting there, but I don't understand them. So, for me special, this, you know, one of my special. I kind of flatten it. If you have your meat tenderizer or your mala, you can use it. But I have a different type of them, you know, low, light, medium, high, and high. See it? Give them a lick. Give them a shot. We are get it kind of, you see it? Fillet out, little broader. We don't want it so thick. See? So we are give them two more beatings. Especially that big one. So we don't have no time for knife pot to fry them. Give them a shot. You see what them look like? Yup. So we want them to look nice, thin, and that. Okay? Alright. Take this out of the way a little. And we just have the two food now. We have two medium eggs inside here, so. And I have some milk. I'm just going to put like about one of my big spoon in there. I don't know it's going now. And we are going to whip it. You want to do that? I still have to put back my another chicken, so make we not chop with flame. We are get a nice little whip. Whip. Whip it up, make it get like a frothy. Whip. Me tell you about the shoulder and the arthritis and them thumb there, you know, my talk too, no. See it there? We know when I roll up with egg, we see the something there, we want the egg. This look like it now. Okay. We have a little garlic here, so a big size, a reasonable size. Peg when I kind of mash out with my spoon to where I put up a salt pan in. Because we just want to get like a flavor of the garlic from our chicken. So, we put it over here, so we are going to do a little massaging. in the kitchen. Massaging in the kitchen. Give them a shot. Zoom in, make them see what go on. Massaging in these little bad boys. With a little garlic and a little salt. So you know so I go moderate on the salt. With just a massaging them bad boy. With little garlic and a little salt. Right? I'm going to put it in the egg wash. Yeah. Soon as you're done with anything out of the poultry, out of the way. Yeah? As soon as you finish, right out of the way. Then go on the egg wash little. Right here, we have some all-purpose flour with some seasoning. Then you know my seasoning and a little smoked paprika. Just for color up and so. So we are going to incorporate it with hand. Remember, we still use the chicken in it, so we can't wash it. Right? I could get a peep in right now with the pan Jessica. We want to get real hot. Right? So, what am I going to do now? I'm going to take a little of my milk and I want to get a little mushy kind of look like. I want to just zoom in, make them see what I want to do. Yeah? I want what me not go overboard. Alright. Alright, that's good. That's fine. Carry up my thing. Now my egg wash. And still can't wash it, mama. Yeah? Flame up. So we have them in a little egg wash here, so we'll take them out and drain them. We'll put them inside here, so. Watch what we are going to do. We want to get them like that. Because we look some crispiness, you know, to them little bad boy here. Crispiness to these little chicken fillet where we are going to fry up. Yeah? We are going to test Jessie. We are going to look how chops. Yeah, man. I don't know about the thermometer and something there, you know. So, we are going to go right in. Right in. And we are going to put her down. Yeah? Take your time. Down. Right back over here. Same patient. Next patient. Same treatment. Get on that little mushiness there. All fix up. Yeah? Patterning. Pat them down. Because we are look them crispy and nice like that, you know. Right in. You in on it? Yeah. Give them a shot. You can wash some hands now. You can wash your hands. You know, we are going over here, so we're going to wash our hands thoroughly from the poultry. Give them a shot, let me see how them look in a Jessie. We're going to fry those for about 3 minutes on each side until we get the desired color. Golden brown. Not golden burn. Golden brown inside the oil. Alright? So, give them a shot. We have them right here and them will do them something. Hello. 3 minutes on each side until you get the desired nice pretty color. You're going to get a nice pretty color from the paprika, and by the time it's in corn oil, by the way, I should have said that. Don't remember if I said that. So you know when the corn oil come up and we have the flame up. So when the corn oil get together with this paprika, so we're supposed to have a pretty color. But listen to me. Well, we'll take a little snap, and when we come back, when we get back, we're going to show you how we're going to fix up these little bad boys to make a nice little Friday evening sandwich. Right? Come along. Right over here. See me here? Let me bring it. Remember, I'm going to wash my hands from the poultry out of the way. So we have homemade French fries. I just see my potato. Look at them. Look at them. And have them in some water. So, when we get back, we're going to do up our fries and fix up a little sandwich with them bad boys. And then, you see it. So, lick a bit. We're back. We are back. Yeah, we'll come back. So, give them a shot on the table there. We're going to put this little sandwich here. Look at bad boy here together. Just so put it together, you know? Alright. Me wash my hands. So, give them a shot of wagwan on the table, make them see me. I showed me I wash off my hands thoroughly. Because you know this. And a knife and fork and tongue, you take, put this together, you know. You take your bare hands, put this together. Okay? Hands washed. Give them a shot of my hands, them drying off my hands. Give them a shot. Hands washed. Clean, tailored hands and nails. Boom! We went ahead and we got all fancy. Yeah? We do up a little chicken. We use white bread. Feel free, you can use your whole wheat, your oats, your rye, whatever your bread. Right? Your burger bun, all of that, whatever. Feel free. So we went ahead and we got all fancy. Give them a shot. Yeah, man. I will go in our little grill pan there. So we fancy up. We kind of toast up our bread. You know, don't know it go after we yard, you know, but that's how it goes. So we have to do. So right here now, we have 3 slices of bread. Follow me now, guys. Watch me carefully. It's a sequence. Want me to make no mistake. So we're gonna put lettuce. We dry off for lettuce them because we don't want when they get on the bread, them wet on the bread and make the bread get all soggy. You want to enjoy your sandwich to the max. Right? Okay. When we took out the chicken, we had this them little something here, you know. Them come out as some little rice cooker. So we can use them as some little mini wire wrap. So we don't want with chicken forget something there. So we just put them. See them? Yeah, so we put it on there. We're not gonna drain it on a napkin, we just put it on the wire wrap. Alright? We chicken them get big and broad and bad and way. So we can put them in 2 to make the sandwich. Right here we have a nice little dip. We have some smoked barbecue sauce, a little ketchup and a little fish and meat sauce. Yeah? Nice little dip. Yeah. So we're gonna put with lettuce. No, we're gonna put some of the dip pan with lettuce leaf. Look at this. Just look, watch me. It's a little time consuming, you know, but it's worth the while. I want a gourmet something, you know, turning up and way, you know, see how that I go on. So we're going to put back with chicken. And we're going to put a little more of our sauce. Can you listen to me? This sauce here bad. We are going to link what we use to make the sauce. We're going to link it in the description. Taste it. Wow. I mean make it but me name know so everybody know. It's a shot. Hello. Damn! It's good. Okay, right over there. We have a little griddle pan over here, so. And we went ahead and we kind of soften up. We don't melt them enough. We just soften up 2 little slices of cheese. So we're going to put it right there. Remember, so we are using hands to put the sandwich together, you know. And we're going to take a slice of tomato and we put it on. We're going to repeat the same process again. Okay? So, we're going to put another slice of bread. Right? Down. Sandwich not fit flat. Like how you see the grill pan flat there, you know. We're going to repeat the process. Follow me along. So we're going to take now another slice, another leaf, our lettuce on top of our bread. And we're going to just swirl on some of our sauce. No matter what you are hang out in us, so sandwich for stay. Sandwich not for scoops, neat and fine. So we're going to take another piece of our chicken. Right? I hope I'm right. Right back over there. So, we make mistake. So we're going to put on another slice of tomato. Follow the lip, guys. My bad. No, man. We make some mistake. We're going to drizzle again. And then, we're going to put on a slice of tomato. Yup. And we're going right back over here. And we're going to take our other... Well, listen to me. Listen to me, please. Another next slice of cheese. And we're going to put it right back on. Yeah. So, zoom in, make them see how it did go. Bread, lettuce, chicken, tomato, cheese. Bread, lettuce, chicken, tomato, cheese. Boom! And then we're gonna put our other slice of bread right on. We have to take off some of that little extra lettuce leaf here, you know. But feel free if your lettuce hang on nothing wrong. And so sandwich for look. So sandwich for look. Right? And we're gonna cut this little bad boy right across into, right down into. See? My knife reach board. Yup. Yup. Look at that. Give them a shot. I will lick Friday evening homemade fast food. Get right in. Yep. Friday evening homemade fast food from Westindian Delghts. And listen to me. We have a little homemade French fries where we did put up over here. Yeah? And outside we are going to eat in it. So we don't want a cockery plate, no plate, and them sitting there. So we're going to take one and we're going to put piece of our sandwich inside there like this. Yeah? And we have we little homemade French fries. We're going to put a little salt, not a lot. Them say this is sea salt, this is one is sea salt, but me not be telling us salt is salt, you know. So moderately. Yeah, for me, that good. Right? And we are going to take with hand. We don't want a tongue. And we are going to put in with fries. Yeah. Out the door we are going to carry time. May I take our fry? And we have a little sauce. And we're going to put it right here. Because we're going on the outside. Yeah. I go out the door. Hello, please. So, enjoy Bon appetit from Westindian Delghts. We look a Friday evening homemade, not go clean up. We look a Friday evening homemade fast food. Yeah, we are going to drink too, you know. Out the door we are go. So we need we drinks like that. Right? Right out the door we are go. Give them a shot because we are go for we drinks. So now we're going outside. But me have a taste before we go out the door. Aye. So my drinks here. You don't eat fast food and drink drinks in a glass. When you're eating fast food, you drink drinks in a plastic cup. So listen to me now. I'm gonna taste. How do you know so me I got taste? Hello, please. Me I put two of my fries in a little sauce. Remember, we're gonna link what we use to make this the dip. The little sauce dip, whatever. I straighten our mouth it go. Zoom in. And of course, you know me I go bite my sandwich. Zoom in. Look at my sandwich, guys. Homemade fast food from Westindian Delghts. Me I go bite my sandwich now. Zoom right in on me. Damn! It's good. It's slap way. Put that on. Chicken crunchy, tomato, cheese, and the sauce. Can't be too much. Aye. Just say that eat fast food and drink out a glass, you know, a plastic. When you eat fast food, you drink out a plastic cup. Hello, please. Give them another shot. How did you do, please? Friday evening fast food from Westindian Delghts. Please subscribe to the channel. Who have done so already, thank you. And who are about to do so, we still give thanks to you. Thumbs up this lick of West Indian fast food Friday evening. And I'm only for going away go buy nothing, so we help ourselves. Leave your comments below. Share the video with your friends. And look here. We're going to take a taste of the juice again. Cool and nice. Taking it slow this evening. Taking it slow. Go down slow. Slow, 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 slow. Down. Listen to me now. With all of this nice goodness, you can't carry. A Debbie from down a yard, you know. Boop.